Here's a question. What if the secret to aligning with the universe, boosting your health, and earning divine blessings all comes down to waking up early? In the next 10 minutes, we'll explore surprising quantum clues, proven science on circadian rhythms, and timeless guidance from the Qur'an and Hadith. You don't have to believe everything you hear, but keep an open mind. Let's begin with an intriguing quantum angle. When the sun rises, photons of sunlight stream through your window and onto your retina. Here's the kicker. Light is quantized, meaning it comes in tiny packets called photons. When enough photons hit your eye at dawn, they trigger unique molecular changes, sending signals to your brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, which resets your internal biological clock every 24 hours. Imagine each photon as a tiny messenger. When enough arrive at dawn, they flip a switch in your SCN, synchronizing your body's rhythms with Earth's rotation. You might be thinking, what does this have to do with me? Well, your circadian rhythm is like an internal conductor orchestrating sleep-wake cycles, hormones, metabolism, and much more. And guess what? Scientists have discovered that this quantum interaction between photons and your retina is crucial for setting your circadian rhythm. Here's a closer look. Inside your eyes, specialized photoreceptor cells called intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, or iPRGCs, contain a protein called melanopsin that is sensitive to light. Specifically, these cells respond to the color blue. But here's the fascinating part. Melanopsin doesn't directly perceive colors like red, green, or blue. Instead, it detects changes in light intensity and is most responsive to short wavelengths like blue light. Now, when blue light enters your eyes, those cells send signals via the optic nerve to your SCN, which acts as your biological clock, and training it to the 24-hour day-night cycle. This process ensures your body knows when to feel awake and alert and when it has time for rest and sleep. Alright, so we just covered some pretty complex stuff. Let's quickly recap. When blue light hits special cells in your eyes called iPRGCs, they send signals to your brain's biological clock, the SCN, helping to synchronize your body's rhythms with the 24-hour day-night cycle. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. Scientists have found that the timing of these signals sent from your eyes to your brain plays a crucial role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Specifically, the phase of these signals determines whether your body feels sleepy or alert. Signals arriving too early can make you feel drowsy, while signals arriving too late can make it harder to fall asleep. This discovery has led to the development of innovative therapies for people who have trouble sleeping. By manipulating the timing of light exposure, it's possible to reset the body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. And here's another interesting tidbit. The strength of the signals sent from your eyes to your brain also influences your alertness. Exposure to brighter light can produce stronger signals, making you feel more awake and focused. On the other hand, dimmer light can result in weaker signals, promoting feelings of drowsiness. This explains why you might feel more tired in dimly lit rooms or at night, when there is less light around you. So you've learned that the type, timing, and intensity of light influence your body's internal clock and overall energy levels. Pretty amazing, huh? Now let's delve into the scientific benefits of rising early, specifically how it relates to your body's natural rhythms. Your circadian rhythm is like an internal conductor orchestrating sleep-wake cycles, hormones, metabolism, and much more. At dawn, light exposure lowers melatonin, the sleep hormone, and raises cortisol, the wake-up hormone. This cortisol awakening response readies your body for the day ahead. Early waking aligns meal timing, improving glucose metabolism and energy levels. Studies show morning light exposure stabilizes sleep quality and mood, enhancing productivity and focus. Consistent early rising benefits concentration, mood regulation, and metabolic health. Sleeping past dawn can desynchronize your clocks, leading to fatigue, poor sleep, and metabolic issues. Imagine your body has an internal clock that controls when you feel sleepy or alert, when to release hormones like cortisol and melatonin, and even how your body burns energy. This clock is called your circadian rhythm and is incredibly important for maintaining good health and well-being. One way your body keeps its internal clock accurate is by getting morning sunlight. When you wake up and see sunlight, your brain receives signals from your eyes that help reset your circadian rhythm for the day. This is important because it helps keep your sleep-wake cycle aligned with the natural day-night cycle. Studies have shown that exposing yourself to morning sunlight can improve your sleep quality and make you feel more alert during the day. It can also help regulate your body's internal temperature, which is controlled by your circadian rhythm. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Your circadian rhythm influences various bodily functions, including hormone production, digestion, and even your body's core temperature. When you wake up early, you can help synchronize these functions with the natural day-night cycle. This means that your body will be better equipped to burn energy efficiently, produce hormones at the right times, and support healthy digestion. By maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and getting morning sunlight, you can keep your circadian rhythm in sync and reap the benefits of optimal energy levels, improved focus, and better overall health. So if you're feeling sluggish or off your game, try waking up earlier and soaking up some morning sunshine. It might just be the boost your body needs to stay energized and healthy. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. Have you experienced any benefits from waking up early or maintaining a consistent sleep schedule? Share your thoughts below. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Now let's move on to the next section. In Islam, the dawn holds profound significance. The Qur'an, the holy book of Islam, refers to the dawn multiple times and even swears by it. For example, in Surah Al-Fajr, the Qur'an says, "By the dawn and the 10 nights." This emphasizes the importance of the dawn in Islamic belief and practices. Furthermore, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often spoke about the significance of the dawn prayer known as Fajr. He said, "Whoever prays the morning prayer, his heart will find comfort." This highlights the spiritual and psychological benefits of waking up early to pray and connect with God. Now, let us take a closer look at the Qur'an and Hadith to understand their teachings on waking early and the rewards associated with it. In the Qur'an, it is mentioned that the recitation of the Qur'an during dawn is witnessed. This implies that those who wake up early and recite the Qur'an are more likely to receive divine blessings and guidance. Additionally, the Qur'an encourages believers to strive for excellence, and those who wake up early and seize the day with enthusiasm and productivity are likely to be rewarded. The Hadith, which are sayings and teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also offer valuable insights into the importance of waking up early. One Hadith states that the 2 rakas of Fajr prayer are better than the world and everything in it. This emphasizes the spiritual merit of waking up for the dawn prayer and highlights the potential rewards awaiting those who do so. Another Hadith states that whoever wakes up in the morning will find ease in doing good deeds. This teaches that those who wake up early are more likely to perform good deeds throughout the day. Waking up early is not only spiritually rewarding, but also beneficial for one's health and well-being. Aligning oneself with the natural rhythms of the day, such as sunrise and sunset, can help maintain a healthy circadian rhythm, which regulates sleep-wake cycles and other bodily functions. Early risers tend to have better sleep quality, improved energy levels, and a reduced risk of certain health conditions. Moreover, the tranquility of the morning hours provides an ideal setting for personal reflection, prayer, or engaging in activities that promote mental clarity and focus. Overall, the combination of spiritual, health, and productivity benefits makes waking up early a highly recommended practice in Islam. By adhering to the teachings of the Qur'an and Hadith and embracing the blessings of the dawn, Muslims are encouraged to make the most of their time and live a balanced life that prioritizes both worldly and spiritual pursuits. As we conclude our exploration into the reasons why waking up early matters, let's reflect on the powerful insights we've uncovered. From the quantum realm to circadian science and timeless Islamic wisdom, the evidence overwhelmingly points towards the profound impact of early rising on